Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Michael. Thank you for clicking on the video and thanks for supporting me on this little journey of mine. On this episode, I do some floating floors. Sorry, we do some floating floors. And I've got to admit, I actually really struggled on this. Shannon had to help me out and tell me what piece went where. I stood around for 5 hours thinking and scratching my head. Didn't know what I was doing. It was our first time doing it as well. And I also make the biggest mistake that you could ever make when doing floating floors. So if you get anything from this video, I really hope you learn from my mistakes that I did. So please also show your support by liking the video and subscribing it already if you haven't done so. But apart from that, let's jump straight into it.
And action! Are you ready to see a beautiful floor? It's a bit dusty. Oh, look how fresh that is.
Damn.
Fresh! You is crazy. Wow, look so big!
That's what she said. Wow.
This is where I'll be putting my legs up.
That's what she said again.
Watching TV. I'm gonna watch The Office every Saturday. Cool.
And another one. One last one.
What did you win, baby?
Ticket to see Willy Wonka.
Guys, this is our underlay for our floor. It's freaking gold.
Alright, to get started with floating floors, there are two variations of techniques. The main difference is the final look. Because one involves not removing the original skirting, it can be installed quite efficiently. However, the drawback to this is the quad look, which means installing quad trim around the perimeter. We went through the alternative route, through which removing the skirting was required. By doing this, it came out cleaner and looked as if it came straight from the factory. I only wish we did the same with the door trims though, not gonna lie, they're pretty hideous. To start, use a Stanley blade to separate the skirt from the wall. You just want to skim the top, and by doing this, it'll help with removing the skirting and not cause the paint to come off with it. To actually remove the skirting, you'll need a hammer and a pry bar, similar to what I'm using. It's vital that you use a long piece of timber to help even that load. If you don't, you'll just puncture the wall. Here's some prime examples when you just go, yeah, cowboy, and wing it. Your boy messed up. I did check it with a level and I thought I could get away with minimal play, but clearly not. So when we walk on it, we do get an odd crack here and there. Without a heartbeat, I thought if I was to do this again, I would make sure the whole surface is completely dead level just to avoid those unwanted noises. We start off by laying our underlay the wrong way, but luckily we didn't get too far in the process and it was an easy flip. While we are on the subject, don't forget to cut out any floor mounted heating or cooling ducts, because the last thing you want is to finish your whole floor and forget to cut that one vent.
I think once you get started, you just keep going.
Have you looked at each piece of wood and figured out which one looks good next to
Oh,
each
honey, I keep trying to tell him, but he doesn't give a f. Can you please tell Michael how important it is?
Hey, thanks for watching my whole flooring video. Look, I'm pretty curious on what you would do if this was your house. Would you get the original floors polished, or would you do the same thing as we did, get some floating floors? Now, like I said, we only did that just because we wanted an added layer of protection, just so when you're putting furniture, when you're spilling some liquids, doesn't damage those original hardwood floors. Don't forget to like the video and also comment down below if you have any questions or anything like that in regards to our install, and also subscribe already if you haven't. But other than that guys, stay safe out there and peace.